Hi, today we will look at how did the market perform. Today is 12th of May 2025. So, what are the key aspects before we started trading today? What did we note? We noted that there is no war today. Okay, that is crossed. A ceasefire has happened. So, the chances of market going up is very high, extremely high. Okay, that is what we saw today. We saw the market open gap up. Friday it closed here. Today it started here. So you see this is a big gap up. We didn't check the global market. It does not matter because when it is news time, India is creating that news. So India will not follow what is happening in the globe. India will immediately follow what it is impacting here. Between Friday and Monday, there has been a ceasefire. So the gap up was bound to happen. It was a big gap up. My day P&L went up drastically up by 19,000. It is a small portfolio, still it went up by 19,000 rupees. So that did that translate to India VIX as well? If we see India VIX, you see this is a big candle. That means the volatility dropped. People are having good faith. Please note, this is a symbol of faith. People are having faith in the Indian market. Okay, they are heavily bullish, heavively bullish because India VIX was negative 17% up by this amount. That means everybody wants to come to your market and invest. That means FII, everybody came to invest today. That is why you will not see a very sharp pullback. Okay, like in other days, you see it comes down drastically from here till half of this point or till this point. You will not see because volatility is not high. If volatility is high, then it will happen. Today, volatility is extremely low. That means people are extremely feeling safe with investing here in the Indian market. Okay, so these are the trades we took with a very small capital. We took these trades. So we initially we were not very clear in the morning. So we bought a put. We thought that there might be a reversal happening, but didn't come. But thankfully, we got the signal and we did not make much of loss. So if you see this point, 55,000, then why are we trading here 55,000 CE? Because I'm getting the maximum move. The premiums are high. If the premiums are high, that means I cannot buy much of lots. Okay. Anyways, in this account, we hardly do with a single lot. Okay. And then if we see the market depth, it oscillated between 440 to 829. And if we see the chart here, this chart, we entered here in this pullback. A small pullback happened. Small means what? It was not small for me, at least. It was 120 points fall from here, 20 pips, whatever you call it. So that much. So it was oscillating here. This is a 15-minute chart. We entered here. So to be precise, we entered around. See, we are not faking it up. So this is the time 12:11 we entered. Okay. So if we go on the 5 minute chart, this is 12:11 almost here we entered and we got a very big candle. So that's why you see this almost in 25-26 minutes we made this money. So it was very fast. Okay. Well, we are not entering the trade again. See, you will save a lot or your money you have to protect. This is your business. You have to run it as a business. So we are at 2:42 now. This is 2:42 p.m. We don't have much time for recovery. People who uh, they made lot of money, they might exit their trade. So the prices may fall down. We don't know, or people may have more trust and they may get enter and they enter the trade. So if you see the VIX here, the VIX it went down and then it is going up. So mostly people will now exit their positions to book the profit, and some people may carry it forward. So that can also happen. So we are not entering it. We don't want speculation at the last moment. We don't want to lose day's profit. That is how you have to be very miser. You don't have to overtrade. So we will not enter because we don't want to overtrade. Okay. We just took a clean quality trade and we got 100 points move on the premium. So our goal is done for the day. If we are in the contest kind of setup, we can take more trades, but we are not there. Our goal is to be profitable. So control your emotions. No FOMO, please. That is important. The more you watch your charts, you might feel to get and buy something. Forget about it. So let's quickly look at this Nifty Bank option chain. So 55,000 Nifty Bank. So 55,500. There are big volumes there. There is a lot of interest there. And then if we go up 55,000, you see a lot of interest. Okay, that means a lot of call writers are there. So if right hand side is big, that means market will go up. So right hand side is big here at 55,000, and we did take a okay call. We had taken 55,500 call. So 55,500 call we had taken. So the premium was slightly less. So we could have taken a 55,000 call as well. And 55,500, if we see the option chain, so 55,500, it is almost equal. So the more we are getting near to that, right now it is 55,200 something. So 55,200 is here. We don't have much of volume here. That's why the prices we are not able to see what way it will move. So people are selling, so that's why you see the premium coming down. Um, this you see red candles are here. So we took our trade here. If you see the bank nifty, we had plotted these lines, and we the moment it hit here, we took this trade here, and we also got a doji kind of a candle. So we were on the right side. HDFC, you see the chart. HDFC was all up, positive. Axis Bank positive. ICICI Bank positive. Kotak Bank positive. So we had so much of support from these banks, so we were able to take the trade safely. So we have to monitor all of these, and then Nifty, Reliance has a big share, so Reliance was also positive. So we were on the right direction. So that's it for today. Please subscribe, and if you want to understand uh, how did we plan our trade and the detailed video, you can subscribe and become a member, Cloud Kernel member, Cloud Ninja member. You will see a lot of detailed video of the trades, how we are taking the trades. Okay, see you in the next part.